When your vehicle suffers from hail damage, door dings, or minor dents, your first instinct might be to take it to a traditional body shop. While that may seem like the norm, it often involves grinding, filling, sanding, and repainting, essentially compromising your car's original factory finish. Fortunately, there's a better option: Paintless Dent Repair, PDR. At Angelo Dent Removal Inc., we've spent over 3 decades perfecting the art of PDR right here in San Angelo, Texas. Our goal is simple: to restore your vehicle to its original condition without ever disturbing the factory paint. Why protect your factory finish? Your factory finish is more than just a coat of paint. It's a multi-layered protective system designed to resist corrosion, UV rays, and harsh weather conditions. Once that finish is broken, no matter how well a body shop repaints it, it will never be exactly the same. Over time, repainted panels can fade unevenly, peel, or lose their luster. PDR preserves your original finish, maintaining your car's durability, appearance, and resale value. Long-term benefits of paintless dent repair. Maintain original paint. PDR is the only dent repair process that works with your vehicle's factory finish. No sanding, fillers, or paint required. This ensures the repaired area matches perfectly with the rest of your car. Retain vehicle value. Vehicles with their original paint are more valuable than those with repainted panels. Whether you're selling or trading in, a factory finish helps maintain top dollar for your vehicle. No risk of paint mismatch or overspray. With traditional repairs, even the best shops can struggle with color matching or end up with overspray on nearby panels. PDR avoids all that by keeping the paint intact. Environmentally friendly. No paint, no chemicals, no body filler. Just skill, precision, and craftsmanship. PDR is one of the most eco-friendly repair methods available. Faster turnaround time. Because there's no painting, drying, or waiting for parts, most PDR jobs are completed in a fraction of the time compared to conventional bodywork. Cost-effective repairs. PDR typically costs less than conventional repairs because it requires fewer materials and less labor. That's more money in your pocket and more time with your car on the road, not in the shop. Trust the PDR experts in San Angelo. At Angelo Dent Removal Inc., we've built a reputation on flawless repairs, expert craftsmanship, and protecting what matters most: your factory finish. Located at 2315 Sherwood Way, our state-of-the-art estimating bay lets us evaluate your vehicle's damage quickly and honestly. Call us today at 325-703-6149 or stop by to see if your car is a candidate for paintless dent repair. Let us bring back that showroom shine. Another flawless repair, like it was never there.